In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an image in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat DC. Whether you're updating a report, fixing an image layout, or just fine-tuning your document, knowing how to easily edit images in PDF files can be incredibly helpful. So, let's dive into the process and make sure you're comfortable with every step involved. First, you'll need to open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat DC. When you have your file open, direct your attention to the right-hand panel where you'll find options tailored for editing. You might also find what you need in the top menu. You're looking for the option that says Edit PDF. Sometimes it's nested under Tools, so don't hesitate to navigate there if it's not immediately visible. Once you select Edit PDF, you'll know if you're successful because the edit mode will become active. Now, your task is to click on the image that you wish to edit. As you do this, the image will be highlighted with selection handles appearing around it. These handles indicate that the image is ready for any adjustments you want to make. With the image selected, take note that a set of options appears for you to adjust the objects in the image. These might show up in the left panel or as a floating toolbar. Let's explore some of these handy tools. If you need to rotate your image, you have options to turn it in 90-degree increments, either to the left or right. This is helpful if you find the image orientation isn't quite right. Next, there are options to flip your image horizontally or vertically, essentially mirroring it in different ways. Sometimes, you may only want a portion of the image. In such cases, the Crop Image tool allows you to drag the handles and cut off any unwanted parts. You also have the ability to replace the selected image with a new one from your device, and depending on the version of Acrobat DC you're using, you might even generate a new image via AI to make your document even more personalized. Should there be multiple images or objects selected, aligning them by their left edges or centers can help you maintain a tidy layout. Similarly, arranging objects helps to shift images forward or backward in the layout, seamlessly integrating with the other elements of your PDF. Once you've made all of your desired edits, click outside the image to apply the changes. This will ensure that the modifications you've made are set in the document. Finally, when you're satisfied with your edits, remember to save your work. You can do this by going to File and then choosing either Save or Save As, depending on whether you want to overwrite the existing file or create a new one. With these simple steps, you can confidently edit images within a PDF using Adobe Acrobat DC. Enjoy making your documents more dynamic and visually appealing.